Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Well, I've got my GT group build that's hosted by Keith finally done. This is the AMT Craig Carter IMSA Camaro, and it went together really well. It looks pretty cool in my opinion that now it's done. So I did not use a decal on the taillights, them are all hand painted. I didn't do the fenders the way that the original is, where you go straight across. This should be blue. And the original I just kind of did with the way I normally would see fender flares, have them actually painted it all one color. And I did the mirrors in yellow, unlike what is normally on this car. One thing I did add to it was some stuff on the inside. So I added a fuel cell that's actually from one of the Roadster kits, a vent line and then a fuel line, and then I did a computer module, some wires, and then another box in there. The carburetors, I cut the velocity stacks that were originally on it, and I added wire ferrules to it, so you actually have the velocity stack, and you actually have that flared opening, and then the rest of the motor. So this kit comes with this nice side exhaust. They have them actually open, so I just painted that black tipped inside. This is the bottom. I didn't do tons of weathering on it, but I did do some. I kind of wanted to be a little stubborn, and I ended up breaking one of these wheels, the shock absorber and where it mounts to it, so now I gotta be careful forever. So I did use Future on the glass. They were pretty scratched up because this is one of them kits where they're just tossed into the kit. But there it is. It's not much to really show off anymore. The hood does fit somewhat decent on it. I did leave some imperfections in the paint. It is a race car, and they're not going to be perfect, but there is some things that bothered me, like right here. Next time I do something like that, I'm going to have to mask that off and get a nice straight cut line. You know, sometimes you just got to do it the wrong way to learn. That's part of modeling. It was a little hard to get this line crisp and clean. But other than that, I think it looks good. It'd be a good shelf queen. Definitely not going to be one that goes to the show. Ain't no award winner. But I feel that way about all my kits that I build. They're not award winner. They look nice on the shelf and they're fun to make. But there it is, old Craig Carter. You guys have a great one. Hope you're doing well. See ya. Bye.